Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we break down the latest tech for real-world use, without the fluff. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Sony ZV-1F Content Creator's Ultimate Kit. It's a mouthful of a name, but it promises a lot. A pocket-sized 4K vlogging camera, a Bluetooth grip, a memory card, a windscreen, and everything you supposedly need to start your content creation journey. But is it really the ultimate starter kit for creators? Or just a flashy bundle with a few extras thrown in? I've been using it for the past few weeks, shooting B-roll, filming outdoors, testing audio, and even editing footage from it on the go, and I've got thoughts. Let's break it all down. First impressions and unboxing experience. Out of the box, the ZV-1F camera itself is tiny, like jeans pocket small. It's light, clean, and very clearly designed with vloggers and solo creators in mind. The Ultimate Kit includes the camera, a Sony GP-VP-T2BT Bluetooth grip, a 32GB SD card, a dead cat wind muff, and a USB-C charging cable. The case is compact and travel-friendly. Everything fits snugly, which is nice for people on the move. Right away, it gives off ready-to-shoot vibes. You really could take this kit out of the box and start filming within 10 minutes. Design and build quality. The ZV-1F is built for simplicity. It's got a fixed 20mm wide-angle f2.0 lens, a flip-out screen, and a mic jack, but no viewfinder or interchangeable lens mount. That might sound limiting, but honestly, it makes it way less intimidating for beginners. The grip is well built and acts as a mini tripod, selfie stick, and remote control all in one. It pairs instantly via Bluetooth, and I found the physical buttons, record, zoom, photo capture, super handy when filming solo. One downside? There's no built-in image stabilization in the camera body. Sony relies on digital stabilization, which crops the frame a bit. More on that in a sec. Image quality and video features. Let's get to the meat. How does it look? For a fixed lens, compact camera, the ZV-1F punches well above its weight. You get 4K 30fps video with crisp detail, solid dynamic range, and excellent color straight out of the box. There's also full HD at 60fps, which is great for smooth talking headshots or B-roll. The product showcase mode is a standout feature. If you're reviewing gadgets or products, it automatically shifts focus from your face to an object you hold up, and it does it really fast and really smoothly. Way better than fighting with manual focus on a phone. The background defocus button is also handy. It instantly blurs the background by opening up the aperture. It's not DSLR level bokeh, but it does add that professional touch. The only catch here? No 4K 60fps and no log profiles for serious color grading. But again, this kit is meant for ease, not cinema. Audio quality. Audio is crucial for content creators, and the built-in directional 3-capsule mic on the ZV-1F is surprisingly good. In most environments, indoors or in light wind, it sounds clear and focused, and the wind muff that attaches to the top helps a ton for outdoor shooting. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference. That said, if you're in a noisy environment or want to up your sound game, you'll want to plug in an external mic. Thankfully, the 3.5mm mic input is right on top and super easy to use. Autofocus and performance. Sony is known for its legendary autofocus, and even though the ZV-1F doesn't have the same high-end AF tech as the ZV-E10 or A7 line, it still holds its own. Eye autofocus is quick and sticks well to your subject, especially in good lighting. It's not the fastest out there, but it's reliable and works great for vlog-style videos. The only hiccup? There's no continuous autofocus tracking in 4K, which feels like a weird limitation. In 1080p, it tracks a bit better, but this could be a downside if you're doing a lot of walk-and-talk shooting or filming pets or kids. Stabilization. Now here's where things get a bit tricky. The ZV-1F relies on electronic stabilization, which works okay, but it crops your frame and can feel a bit jittery if you're walking while filming. You can't expect GoPro-level smoothness. If you're mostly shooting stationary with a tripod or grip, you're golden. But for creators who want that walking and talking handheld vlog style, this might not be the smoothest option, unless you use software stabilization in post. Battery life and connectivity. Battery life is decent. You're getting around 60-70 minutes of recording per charge, depending on your settings. Thankfully, it charges via USB-C, so you can use a power bank or plug it into your computer while shooting. Awesome for longer desk setups or live streams. And speaking of live streaming, you can use the ZV-1F as a plug-and-play webcam, no extra software needed. That's a major win for creators doing Zoom calls, Twitch streams, or YouTube lives. What we loved. Let's run through the highlights. Compact and creator-focused, simple, pocket-sized, and ready to shoot. Great image quality. Sharp 4K with vibrant color. Flip screen pluses grip, solo creator heaven. Solid internal mic plus, wind muff. USB-C charging and live stream ready. Beginner-friendly layout and interface. Excellent value as a bundle. You get everything you need to start. What could be better? And here's where it falls short. No lens zoom, you're stuck with the 20mm wide angle. No in-body stabilization. Makes handheld video a bit shaky. Limited autofocus tracking in 4K. No headphone jack. Can't monitor audio live. No 4K 60fps or log profiles. Limits pro-level flexibility. Final verdict and rating. So, is the Sony ZV-1F content creator's ultimate kit actually worth it? For beginner creators, vloggers, or anyone who wants to level up from their smartphone without diving headfirst into mirrorless camera territory, absolutely. It's simple, powerful, and portable. You're getting sharp 4K video, better than expected audio, a great grip, and a plug-and-play setup that works right out of the box. It's not perfect. The fixed lens and lack of advanced features might turn off more experienced shooters. But for the price, it's one of the best all-in-one content kits out there. My rating, 8.5 out of 10. Smart, focused, and ready for action. Just keep your expectations in check around stabilization and advanced video settings. Want to check it out? If you're thinking about picking up the ZV-1F Creator Kit, I've added a link down in the description. It'll take you to the Amazon listing where you can check the current price, full specs, and see what other creators are saying. Totally optional, but if you do use that link, it helps out the channel and lets me keep making reviews like this one. That's it for today. Smash the like button if this helped. Drop a comment if you've got questions, or if you want me to compare it to something like the Canon V10 or the ZV-E10, and don't forget to subscribe for more no BS gear reviews every single week. This is Modern Gadget Guy signing off.